Hello everyone, welcome back with the last Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, July the 15th, 2020. Yes, the last Sudoku in this additional is a Tectonic, a.k.a. Suguru in Japanese. Yes. So let's get started. And the first strategy is to find the single box. Do we have a single box here? Yes, I can see immediately the single box. Should be here. Because the lines are now very thick. I'm very thankful for the publisher because you can now see the areas very clear. So here we have a triple box, 1, 2, and a 3. Do we have a dual box? No, I can see it very quick now. We have here a triple box, 1, 2 are filled in, so the 3 goes in there. That means these 3 boxes in this area cannot be a 3. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3. 2 boxes left for the 3 should be here and there. We have a 5 here. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 5. The 5 could be here or there. We have a 1 here. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 1 because it's surround the 1. So these 3 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 can be in this box or that box. So we have a pair now, 3 and a 2, and I have eliminated the 5 because a pair is only with 2 numbers, not with 3 numbers. So the other 2 numbers should be for the 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5, this box can be a 5, so the 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. In this area, we have a 3 here. So these 3 boxes surrounded. These 4 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3. Surround the 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3. Cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Now I have a 3 here, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 3. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be here. These 2 boxes are reserved for the 4 and the 5. Let me mark them, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 here. Look, 4. So this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 5 and this should be the 4. We have a 4 here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 boxes are reserved for the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area for the 1 and the 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 3 goes there. These two boxes in this triple box are reserved for the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These two boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 2 boxes left for the 3. Here or there. These 3 boxes surround the 2. Cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there, and I have eliminated the 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there, and the 1 goes here. These 3 boxes surround the 2, cannot be a 2, so 2 boxes left for the 2. I mark them for you here and there. These 4 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 2 boxes left for the 3 and the 4. And I have eliminated the 2 because those are pairs. The 3 and the 4. The 3 and the 4. So these 2 boxes are left for the 2 and the 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 4. So we have 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4 here as a pair. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. So 1 box left for the 5. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2. These 3 boxes cannot be a 5. So we have a pair, the 2 and the 5 goes there. 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. We have a quadra box. That means the 5, there is no 5 in this area. So the 1, 2 and the 3 and the 4. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 2 and the 4 are left. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. Excuse me. Excuse me. Apologies. We have a 2 now, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. Should be the 5. And this should be the 2. Alright. So we have a 2 now. These 4 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. We have a 2 now. So these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there now. So 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark them for you, 4 and the 5. Then this box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 1. So we have 2 boxes left. The 4 and a 1. Oh, stupid. Yeah, we have a 1 here. That means these two boxes cannot be a 1, so only one box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 should be there. One box left. Oh, I've made a mistake. Ah! We have a 3 here. Wow, where is the mistake now? This cannot be a 3. I've made somewhere a mistake. Wow. Where is the mistake? Ah, here, yeah. Because we have a 2 here. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 is correct. But the 5 is incorrect. Okay, because we have a 5 here. I made a mistake because these 2 boxes cannot be a 5. It's not this box. Alright. So, alright. The 2 is correct. Let me mark these. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes there. So now I've placed the 5 there. I made a mistake. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 should be here. The 5 should be here. Alright. Alright. The 5 is correct. So the 1, 4, and the 3 are missing. The 3 cannot be here. The 1 cannot be here, so in which order is this? Yes. Oh, the 1 can also not be here. The 1 cannot be there. So the 1 is here. Correct. So this should be the 3. Yes. We have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3. This should be the 3. 1 error, and this should be the 4. Yes. So you need to be careful. The mistake. You will notice that it's a mess. Alright, so we can now continue. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. So the 3 and the 4 are left. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. We have a 4 now, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 1. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 4 and the 5 are left. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then let me see. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 2 boxes left for the 1 should be here or there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here or could be there. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So we have a pair, the 1 and the 3. So I have eliminated the 4. So the 4 should be there. 1 box left should be the 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 5. We have a 4 now, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 3. We have a 3 now, so this cannot be a 3. This should be the 3, and this should be the 1. Finish in 50 minutes. Alright, with an error. I like this Sudoku. Yes. I like this. I like this. I like this. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Only if you like, only if you want. And hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Yes, again, thank you. Yeah, we will meet again very soon. Probably tomorrow. Almost every day. I think every day, yes. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. Thank you, and bye bye for now.